AVG.
AVG antivirus on my computer.
It's a free software.
Software.
It's free.
It's free. Oh, my grandma helped me because I know nothing about this.
And I put it on all of my computers.
Because, guys, this is my first computer, so I know nothing.
Yeah, he's been using mine and plus his phone. And he has been using tablets. So this is the computer that Santa Claus brought him for Christmas.
And guess how much it cost?
And
Cost $700.
he don't know how much it costs because Santa Claus brought it to him.
Wait, how much did it cost?
And what we did was, anybody that wants to use AVG, they can go to the File Hippo site.
Where is it?
And download it from File Hippo. Okay, once you get to your Internet Explorer or your Internet browser, whichever one you use, we use Foxfire. So, or Firefox. You go to File Hippo. You gonna try to put that back down there so you can run and spill it again? Yeah. It'll show up like this. Categories. And popular. And AVG will be down here.
Oh, that's cool to know.
And your link to File Hippo is
down there.
FileHippo.com. Download. And then I'll show it at your AVG link once you click on the AVG. When the AVG page loads, it'll come over here to the side. It'll have older version, AVG free. And this is a totally good AVG site.
That's one of like the best ones out of all of them.
It'll always ask you to allow access because Windows blocks everything. And you allow it. I've used this website for years and years and years and years. All good. So I allow it, and every once in a while it'll ask you for updates. And I think you get a free some type of scan that comes with this. Once the 60 or 90 days runs out, you'll have to go back and download your other regular free version. But it's very easy, and I have it on everything, even my telephone, even our phones, and yeah, it very well protects.
We have it on our tablets too.
Jerry is just being a cool dude.
I just got finished picking stuff up.
Stuff up what? Like what?
I've been doing work.
Why were you doing work? Because you ran through the house? Yeah, because you ran through the house.
Cut that out.
Jerry don't want nobody to know that he does bad things sometimes.
Sometimes, not all the time.
What'd you do? Ran through the house and spilled out some...
Hey, turn the camera that way.
Smelly good stuff that I had setting up. They're in the house. I bet you whatever it is, it might be a fox out there.
Yo, I'm gonna go check what happened.
Once it downloads, it will tell you, just follow the directions. I'm gonna cancel it because he's already got it on here. And then you set up your scan to scan your computer, and it will scan performance issues, and it'll tell you, just like there was a performance issue found and it resolved it. So and then it'll ask you if you want to upgrade. I always click out of this stuff. Cause I don't ever need to upgrade. I just always keep the free. always try to keep the free, and it'll tell you computers protected, web and emails protected, so I don't need none of that other stuff. And tell them what to do, Junior.
Don't forget to subscribe, like, hit notification, and bye 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 bye. And have a wonderful day.